Trucking isn't just about transporting cargo. It's about power, endurance, and innovation. And when it comes to heavy-duty trucks, two names always steal the spotlight: Mercedes-Benz and Scania. These giants have been battling for dominance on highways and job sites for decades, each bringing something unique to the table. Mercedes-Benz is all about high-accuracy engineering, advanced technology, and smooth efficiency. On the other hand, Scania is known for its raw power, legendary durability, and impressive fuel economy. Both brands have built rock-solid reputations, setting the gold standard in performance, safety, and sustainability. So, which one truly rules the road? That's a debate that may never seem to end. Some swear by Mercedes-Benz's high-tech approach, while others won't drive anything but a Scania. Let's break it all down: history, design, performance, and more, to see how these trucking titans really compare. In 1896, the history of Mercedes-Benz trucks began when Gottlieb Daimler built the world's first truck. While Mercedes-Benz was officially founded in 1926 through the merger of Benz and C, its truck division traces its origins back to this pioneering innovation. This breakthrough laid the foundation for a legacy of innovation, comfort, and reliability. Over the years, the brand has seamlessly blended functionality with advanced technology, consistently prioritizing safety, durability, and efficiency. A defining moment came in 1996 with the unveiling of the Actros series, which transformed heavy-duty trucking with its advanced features. Mercedes-Benz trucks are powered by a range of high-performance engines designed for efficiency and durability. The OM 471, OM 473, and OM 936 engines deliver varying levels of horsepower and torque to suit different transport needs. The OM 471 produces up to 530 horsepower and 2600 Nm of torque, offering an optimal balance of power and fuel efficiency. The OM 473 at a larger 15.6-liter engine delivers 625 horsepower and 3000 Nm of torque, making it ideal for heavy-haul applications. Concurrently, the compact OM 936 with 300 horsepower and 1200 Nm of torque provides efficiency for lighter-duty operations. Meanwhile, Scania Trucks traces its origins back to 1891. when Vabis was founded in Södertälje, Sweden, initially producing railway carriages. In 1900, Scania was established in Malmö as a bicycle manufacturer, and the two companies merged in 1911, forming Scania Vabis, with the name Scania derived from Sweden's southernmost province. Evolving into a global leader in commercial vehicles, Scania now operates in over 100 countries, upholding core values of entrepreneurship, innovation, and customer focus, sustainability, team spirit, and integrity. Known for its powerful engines and fuel efficiency, Scania has built a reputation for durability, reflected in the longevity of its vehicles. Scania's lineup engine includes inline 5-cylinder, 6-cylinder, and the iconic V8 engines, offering torque outputs ranging from 1000 Nm in smaller models to 3500 Nm in its top-tier 770 horsepower V8, the most powerful truck engine in production. These engines are designed for a wide range of applications, from regional distribution to extreme heavy-duty transport. A key milestone for Scania came in 2004 with the launch of the R Series, setting new standards in driver comfort and performance. Mercedes-Benz trucks and Scania trucks have each made significant contributions to the commercial vehicle industry. Mercedes-Benz trucks, founded in 1896, is known for innovation, luxury, and reliability, with a major breakthrough in 1996, when the Actros series revolutionized heavy-duty trucking, while Scania trucks, established in 1891, has built a reputation for powerful engines, fuel efficiency, and durability, reaching a key milestone in 2004 with the launch of the R Series, which set new standards in driver comfort and performance. Mercedes-Benz trucks boast a bold, futuristic design that reflects the brand's luxury heritage. Sleek lines, aerodynamic contours, and the signature three-pointed star create an elegant yet commanding presence on the road. In contrast, Scania trucks prioritize a rugged, functional aesthetic. Their sturdy frames, large grilles, and practical design elements cater to those who value durability and strength over sleek styling. Stepping inside a Mercedes-Benz truck, and you'll find a cabin designed for comfort and sophistication. Ergonomic seats, high-end materials, and an intuitive dashboard layout make a lengthy trip feel effortless. Scania interiors, while equally spacious and driver-centric, lean toward functionality. The controls are strategically placed for convenience, ensuring drivers can focus on the road with minimal distractions. When it comes to materials, both brands prioritize durability, but with different approaches. Mercedes-Benz utilizes lightweight yet resilient components to enhance fuel efficiency without sacrificing strength, while Scania focuses on robust construction, engineering their chassis and body parts to endure extreme conditions, making them a top choice for heavy-duty applications. Mercedes-Benz and Scania both deliver exceptional performance in the trucking industry, but they excel in different areas. The Mercedes-Benz Actros series, powered by engines like the OM471, strikes an ideal balance between power and fuel efficiency. Engineered for seamless performance, it ensures smooth rides, minimizes driver fatigue, and maximizes fuel economy. Known for its adaptability, the Actros delivers consistent results across varied terrains and regions. Meanwhile, Scania's V8 engine set the benchmark for power and torque. Built for heavy-duty operations, they offer unmatched pulling strength, making them the go-to choice for demanding routes. The Scania R series in particular has earned a stellar reputation for its durability and high performance, reinforcing Scania's dominance in the industry. In real-world comparisons, such as a drag race between the Mercedes, Actros, and Scania R500, both trucks showcased their strengths. The Scania R500, featuring a 500 horsepower 13-liter engine, displayed impressive acceleration, while the Mercedes Actros, equipped with a 480 horsepower 10.7-liter engine, demonstrated advanced engineering with a highly competitive performance. Both brands bring distinct advantages, with Mercedes-Benz excelling in efficiency and adaptability, while Scania dominates in power and endurance. Mercedes-Benz is pushing the technological boundary further with its emphasis on semi-autonomous driving and predictive systems. Mirror cam not only improves aerodynamics but also enhances safety by providing a clearer, wider field of view than traditional mirrors. Active drive assist brings trucking closer to full automation, reducing driver fatigue and increasing road safety. Predictive powertrain control takes efficiency to the next level by optimizing gear shifting based on terrain, a feature that leverages AI for real-time decision-making. Scania, while highly innovative, focuses more on refining existing systems' efficiency and safety. Scania OptiCruise ensures smooth, intelligent gear changes, and its telematics system provides fleet managers with critical data for optimizing operations. Adaptive cruise control is a strong safety feature, but it doesn't redefine industry standards in the same way Mercedes-Benz's semi-autonomous capabilities do. Both brands lead in their respective approaches, but Mercedes-Benz's push toward automation and AI decision-making positions it ahead in breaking new technological ground. Mercedes-Benz and Scania are both leading the charge in green trucking, but they're taking different roads to get there. Mercedes-Benz is all about big-picture innovation, blending advanced diesel tech with next-gen sustainability. Their trucks come with eco-friendly gearboxes and blue-tech engines, optimizing diesel efficiency while cutting emissions. But they're also pushing into the future with electric and hydrogen solutions. They've launched series production of the e-Actros 600, a fully electric heavy-duty truck with a 600-plus kilowatt battery and 500 kilometers of range, already securing major orders from Amazon. Their Gen H2 truck, a hydrogen-powered model, is in testing, aiming for a 1,000-kilometer range, with production set for later this decade. Backed by $226 million in funding, Daimler Truck plans to roll out 100 fuel cell trucks by 2026, driving the industry toward a cleaner, high-tech future. Scania, on the other hand, is making an impact right now. Their truck runs on biofuels, like HVO, hydrotreated vegetable oil, biodiesel, and biomethane, slashing CO2 emissions by up to 90% without waiting for new infrastructure. Their hybrid models blend electric drivetrains with biofuel-compatible engines, cutting fuel use by 15 to 40%. Plus, their latest fuel-efficient engines pack more power, last longer, and burn less fuel, making them an easy, cost-effective way for fleets to go green today. So, which truck is greener for the road, though? Well, Mercedes-Benz is paving the way for the future, but Scania's solutions make an immediate difference right here, right now. Buying a heavy-duty truck is more than just the initial purchase. It's a long-term investment that includes maintenance, fuel efficiency, and resale value. Here's how Mercedes-Benz and Scania stack up financially. Mercedes-Benz trucks generally come with a higher upfront cost, including their luxury design, advanced technology, and premium materials. The Actros series, for instance, is priced above comparable Scania models due to its high-end comfort, driver assist systems, and safety features. Scania, while still a premium brand, offers a more competitive price point, with customization options that allows buyers to tailor their trucks for cost-effectiveness. When it comes to maintenance, Scania has an advantage with longer service intervals and a modular design, making repairs simpler and cheaper. Mercedes-Benz trucks, on the other hand, require specialized servicing due to their advanced electronics and driver assistance features, which can result in higher maintenance costs but optimized performance. For fuel efficiency, both brands focus on cutting costs, but their methods differ. Mercedes-Benz's predictive powertrain control adapts to road conditions to optimize gear shifting and speed, improving fuel consumption. Scania's Super Drivetrain, introduced in November 12, 2021, delivers 8% fuel savings over previous models, making it one of the most fuel-efficient options for long-haul trucking. And resale value is another key factor. Both brands hold their worth well, but Scania trucks tend to depreciate more slowly due to their robust engines, simplified maintenance, and high demand in the used truck market. For buyers looking at long-term value, Scania may be the better investment, particularly if well-maintained. Ultimately, Mercedes-Benz offers a high-tech, future-focused innovation, while Scania provides practical, cost-effective solutions that benefits fleets today. When it comes to real-world performance, both Mercedes-Benz and Scania bring unique strength to the table, making them top choices for different trucking needs. In a car-wow drag race, the Scania R500's power and torque gave it an early lead, while the Mercedes Actros stayed competitive with aerodynamic efficiency and smooth shifting. Scania ultimately won, but the Actros impressed with fuel efficiency and refined performance. For long-haul comfort, Scania emphasizes driver-focused design with ergonomic controls and superior seating, while Mercedes-Benz offers a more premium experience with luxury features and advanced driver assistance. When hauling heavy loads, Scania's V8 trucks excel in power and durability, making them ideal for tough industries, whereas Mercedes-Benz trucks prioritize fuel efficiency, automation, and optimized fleet performance. So, Mercedes-Benz or Scania? The answer depends on what you're looking for. If you prioritize advanced technology and automated features, Mercedes-Benz Actros is the clear winner. It's the best choice for extended route comfort and efficiency-driven trucks management. But if you value raw power, fuel efficiency, and rugged durability, Scania trucks take the lead. Their V8 engines and fuel savings designs make them the top choice for demanding heavy load operations. Ultimately, both brands excel in different areas, and your decision should be based on your specific business needs, route demands, and budget considerations. The battle between Mercedes-Benz and Scania is far from over, with advancements in electric powertrains, autonomous driving, and sustainability. The next decade will redefine what it means to be a leader in the trucking industry. Whether you're a fleet operator, interstate driver, or trucking enthusiast, one thing is certain: both brands will continue pushing the limits of what trucks can achieve. So, which side are you on? The luxury and innovation of Mercedes-Benz, or the raw power and efficiency of Scania? One thing's for sure though, whichever you choose, you're driving a true titan of the road. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more interesting trucking content.